Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel, Sean's Specialties. So today we are making pigs in a blanket. And if you don't know what that is, it is mini hot dogs with dough, and I cut them into strips. These are TETON brand, and you buy them at Costco. And it's 100% grass-fed beef. And I picked these up, they're really good. And now we roll the hot dogs into the dough, and then we make pigs in a blanket. And these are so fun to make. They're for all ages. Yeah, you can make these for Super Bowl Sunday or just an all-around appetizer. They're really good. And yeah, so there we go. We have 5. And I'm going to put these into the oven. And oh, they're ready. And I have these in the oven, and they are ready. And yes, here they are. So this over here, and here we go. And these look amazing. And here are all the condiments that you can have. This is sauerkraut, and it's probiotic, and it's really good for your gut health. And different kinds of mustards and ketchup, and you get them at Costco and Trader Joe's. And I just go with a classic mustard, and I'm gonna try it. And the bread is so flaky and buttery, and it tastes so good with the mini hot dogs. And remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more of my videos. And see you next time, guys. Bye.